Hello guys, my name is Elena. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make some very nice simple chocolate cake. Alright, so I already have oven preheating for 350 degrees, so make sure it's all ready for us when we're done. And here's in the bowl I have all my dry ingredients. I have my flour, I have sugar, baking powder, salt, soda, cocoa powder, so all this dry is in here. So this one is pretty straightforward recipe. It's not gonna be unsalted butter here, it's gonna be with oil recipe. All right, so here's I have all my dry. Let's give it a stir. All right, so now to this mixture we're gonna add so it's a 1 cup of regular milk. All right, let's see if I can do it with one hand. So just add it slow, little at a time. There we go. Add my eggs. Vegetable oil. Alright, the batter is nice and smooth, so let's go ahead and run our spatula, make sure it's all mixed up. So now I have very hot water, it's almost to boil, and can you see the steam coming out? Yes. All right, so in this water I'm gonna add some instant coffee powder, mix it in. All right, and I'm gonna turn mixer kind of slow, and we'll start slowly add my coffee powder to it. Look at all the steam. See, so the water was pretty much almost boiling. It's mixed up nice and smooth. So that's our consistency. And I'm gonna divide it among two 9-inch round pans. All right, so this is my 2 pans. I sprayed them with my cooking spray before I poured the batter in. So I'm just gonna put it in the oven until they're done, and we'll put them together. Alright guys, so cake's just baked off. Nice and springy. It's still making sizzle noise. Oh, just stop. Alright, so 9-inch pan, it comes out pretty tall. So this one I pulled about 10 minutes ago. So this one already nice and cooled off. So I'm gonna cool this one off. And we're gonna put it together and see what it tastes like. All right. So it's been sitting in the fridge for about a couple hours, I think. So we just can't wait anymore. So let's cut this open. It's nice and soft. Ooh. So look guys, this is very nice and soft. The icing, you can put with any chocolate icing that you like or any other icing. So I'm just doing the chocolate cake. So let's see. Nice and moist, very soft, very chocolatey. Let's try it. This is very good. The cake is very, very nice and very spongy and very light in texture. All right, so I hope you guys will give this a try. The chocolate, very easy chocolate cake recipe. As you see, it come out very nice. The layers were not domed. I don't need to cut anything off to make it nice and even. And the cake looks pretty large. So this 2 layers inside, 9-inch round. So yeah, I like this, and I hope you'll give it a try and leave me a comment and let me know what you think of it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give a like to this video, and I will see you next time. Bye. Love you so much.